Hey guys, welcome back to Kiwanna's Kitchen. I'm Kiwanna. For those of you that are new to my channel, welcome. I'm Kiwanna. In today's video, I'm going to share with you all on how I make deviled eggs the easy and simple way. So if you guys want to see how I put these deviled eggs together, keep watching. Alright guys, we're going to go ahead and make our deviled eggs. In my bowl here, I have a total of 12 deshelled eggs. Okay, I did boil them, hard boil them, and I did peel them already, running under cold water. That just makes it easier for the skin to come off. I really didn't feel the need to show you guys how to peel eggs because I'm pretty sure you know how to peel eggs. So I have a plate there on the side that I'm putting my egg whites on, in a bowl there that putting the egg yolks in, because that's going to be our filling, and we are going to refill the egg whites. We're going to squeeze our filling right on into those egg white halves. Okay, so when you cut your eggs, guys, cut them the long way as opposed to the short way, because if you cut them the short way, they're going to be going everywhere, and it's just going to make it so irritating because you're going to be more focused on standing them up instead of just filling your egg whites. Okay, so you guys see how they are pretty much standing up on their own, cut the long way. So I got all of my egg yolks in here, so I'm using my potato masher to mash them up. And I did rinse out my egg whites there because I like my egg whites to be just rinsed out. That's a personal preference. So here we are. Here they are completely mashed up. I've even seen where people use their hands, you know, to mash up their egg yolks. I really didn't feel the need to do all of that, so I just used my potato masher. So now I'm adding in my mayo. I'm going in with about 1 cup of mayo, and then I'm going to add in 1.5 tablespoons of dill relish, and I'm going to go in with 1 tablespoon of sweet relish. Now, you don't have to use both. Some people like sweet, some people like dill. I like both. So now I'm adding in my seasoning. This is just my house seasoning that I'm adding in there just for a little added flavor. And it consists of seasoned salt, onion powder, garlic powder, and pepper mixed. And yeah, we're just going to give this a good mix. And then I got this into one of my piping bags because it just makes it easier to fill my egg whites with. And of course, guys, you're going to need some paprika to top your eggs with, okay? Your deviled eggs. So I just snipped off the top and I just started filling. Now you guys may see here where I just kind of sped up the process or whatever, because you see how many halves I have to fill. So like I said, I did speed up the process of filling these egg whites. Okay, so like I said, guys, I see the comments, and you know, everybody always, they want to say something about, I apologize, my phone was ringing, but they always say something about, why didn't you this, why didn't you that. All I say is, guys, go ahead and make your deviled eggs how you would definitely make your deviled eggs. You don't have to use what I use or do what I do. You can definitely make them how you like to make them, what your family likes. That's all I say, is just go by that, and hey, you are good to go. So I'm just sprinkling on that paprika, and we are pretty much done. So I truly do hope you guys enjoyed my video of me showing you how to make deviled eggs. If you guys enjoyed my video, please give my video a thumbs up. Support my channel by subscribing. And until next time, you guys take care. Bye.